Hi guys, it's Silas, and today we are playing. What the heck? Sorry. No, I don't want to do that. Today no. Okay, so today we are playing Baltlelands with Logan. He'll be here in a second. So yeah. We're just gonna watch my guy.
He lost. He blew himself up.
The guy blew himself up.
Yeah.
Is she good, do you think?
She is. With total wizard.
Is it good to camp in this game?
No.
She's not gonna make it. She's probably by herself. Now you're gonna exit.
Nope, still one more.
Okay, there's 4 people left in the game. The bazooka is a one shot.
Yeah, they won. Great.
Good job. The bazooka one shot.
GG.
GG. 5 XP. Are you at level 4?
Yeah.
I thought you were at level 8.
No.
You're not even close. Are you even close to level 8?
No, not really.
How do you get your rewards at the regular battle pass? You have to win.
No, you have to level up.
Oh, you want to go to the hospital?
No, let's go junkyard.
Oh, that was a last minute save. Is the junkyard pretty good?
Well,
I already see a gun.
is it a shotgun?
No, it's a sniper, but it'll work. I'm not getting the peacemaker. I'm coming to you, buddy. I'm coming to YA, buddy. Okay.
There's a shotgun.
Are you gonna get it?
Yep.
Of course you are. I'm gonna get some shield. For a second, I thought someone shot me.
Test move. I got this guy. Get over here.
You don't need some help?
Nope. He only has an AR. Yep. God, kill him! Silas, help me! Silas, he's gonna kill me! Silas.
No. I should have gotten his AR and then defeated the other guy.
No, you should have shot him.
I wouldn't know. I was aiming for him. Sniper sucks. Well, it doesn't suck.
Because it shoots so slow.
Yeah. It just sucks that it shoots so slow, so it's hard, and then you have to just like... Yeah, but it is easy. Is it easy to dodge the bullets? Yeah, okay. This game is so much fun. You have to practice. You wanna go here?
Rocket sight.
Did you get bazookas?
No.
I'm blue this time. Woo-ha!
I found a shotgun.
Okay, I'll get the peacemaker. Trap pizza. Come on, get him, this guy. There is a...
You might run, son. Silas, help me. Silas, get me up. There we go. His buddy's dead.
Did you both die at the same time?
No. Oh, yeah.
I'll just get the peacemaker because it's my only option.
Let's go.
Does the peacemaker have a good fire rate?
Yeah,
It's damage.
it's kind of like a rifle, kind of.
Like an AR.
There might not be someone camping in here. I'm gonna get mad. Okay, good. Somebody shot me. Oh, I see some footprints. There's a guy over here, but I don't know if he has a shield. That's what I need. Like, all the shield is gone, like, in a couple seconds because everyone uses it. Okay, I got him. Get the peacemaker. Got him. This guy has an AR. Got him. Nice. I got 2 kills.
I give you. Okay.
Crap. Yes. Get the shotgun. Ah, Silas, get me. Silas, help me. Silas, get the shotgun.
Die. How much?
You gotta shoot. Why didn't you get the shotgun and then shoot him?
Wait, the other guy had a shotgun?
Yeah, see, he blasted you with a shotgun.
No. Sorry.
You should have got the shotgun and shot him.
Well, okay, I bet he was low on health, though. He must have been low. You have to start out,
another kill,
guys.
though.
You have to start out, and if you don't get a shotgun, or if you get an AR, if you don't get an AR or higher, you're done. Okay, like isn't that true, Logan? If you get an AR or lower at the start, you're done.
Yeah.
You want to go
Rocket side again.
Okay, it's good. I love this game. Do you love it too? We'll do some practicing off screen, and then we'll probably be like pretty good after. It's just that you
guys, when I'm knocked, you gotta like go in the battle and then shoot, get my shotgun. They'll get something like get a shotgun or something, and then shoot them.
Yeah, we have to pray that they have a shotgun, cause oh my God, there's two shotguns right by each other. You see those?
Yeah, no, don't steal the other one.
There we go. You're done, sons. And you can't really get jumps. You can't really hide from anyone. Wait, can you go in the houses? Crap.
No.
Should we be quiet?
No, because no one can hear us.
I mean, when I mean quiet, I mean like in the game, like just what I mean by quiet, I mean just like
supply drop down here.
What's in it? Guns?
Usually a bazooka or a minigun. I think someone's already at it. Yeah, someone's already at that.
How do you know?
Go back. Let's go back.
I was gonna get the shield.
I don't really need it.
Are miniguns good?
Oh. Yeah, and the but they do the same amount of damage as the AR does. Oh my God, these guys have no guns. Silas, come on, let's fight them. Crap, they have a lot of shield though. Got him. How do you do so much damage to me, dude?
The punching is OP. Come on, I see another guy.
Get him. Run after him. Got him.
He had a shotgun too. Can I use this? Oh, you can use it. Yeah, you have less shield than me. Whew. How much kills do you have too?
Yeah.
Okay. My battery. I have no ammo on my shotgun. Like, I literally have none.
Come over here.
Is there some ammo? Is there some ammo over here?
No.
Oh, I see someone.
Oh, I got her.
She's dead.
Let's go. Come on.
I'll give her ammo if she has any. I'll get the AR. I could have. This is an Uzi and an AR.
I need a.
I'm so.
Supply drop.
Where is it? Oh, it's right there. Okay.
We gotta go fast.
Does it do a lot of damage?
Go. Ah, yikes! Silas.
Battle buddy.
Come on, you know, fast enough. Faster. Yikes! Run! Sus, walk out of it. I got you. Oh my God!
You gotta be kidding. Wait, we both have bazookas?
I know. This is so weird.
Come on! Oh, yes, I need to make it. Okay, you got it.
Boom!
No!
Boom!
No.
Oh, she had a bazooka. That was a good one.
GG.
That was good. That was good.
But, hey,
she came up straight from the behind. She came up straight behind me and then shot me.
Oh, I got level 3.
That is GG. That was good.
Did I get anything from the battle pass?
Yeah. That was a nice snag. So when you died, she grabbed your bazooka, she came over and shot me in the back. That was good.
Am I getting the military thing? Because it literally costs 500 and that's how much I need to get the battle pass. Okay, I'm going to invite you.
No, you need 590. I'm not going to do that right now. I'm going to check the shop, what's in it. Salty, rainbow, fondue.
Wait, did the shop change? Because we both have different items.
Yeah, I know.
Okay.
Military Grande. What else can we get from leveling up? We can get this loot. At 11, we can get the military grad.
200. 200. 200. You have 4. Okay, let's play.
Wait, how many kills do you have? 4?
I have 5 total kills for some reason.
I had 23. I have 2 double kills.
I don't have any. Okay. You wanna play?
Don't really want to play right now.
Okay, Logan's getting off.
I'm gonna play.
So I'm gonna do some solo.
Okay.
Where should I go? Junkyard?
Yeah. I'm gonna get rid of Granny.
A sniper versus thieves?
No, I'm gonna get rid of Granny.
I'm gonna get the sniper. Oh, no, shotgun.
Shotgun is the best.
Well, in your opinion.
Yeah.
Can you grab...
What's your favorite?
Probably, yeah, the shotgun. It just has such a good fire rate. No, it's not the fire rate, it's the damage. It just like, it can do like 315, but this thing could do 30 damage and obliterate someone. I hear someone coming. It should be near me. That was my own steps. What the frick?
Get it.
Yes!
But the good thing about solos is you can like get a lot of kills because there's no duos, so like they won't get knocked.
Yes.
You just shoot them.
Should I get a sniper or stay with a shotgun?
What?
Should I get a sniper or stay with a
Keep
shotgun?
the shotgun because you would.
Unless I get a bazooka.
Yeah.
I'm barely in the circle, guys. I like how it's touchscreen. The only thing is you can't spam it. You can't spam it, and that's what I do in Fortnite with shotguns. With the tacky shoot. It's shrinking right now. Should I just camp here?
If you would.
I'm not.
Did you get rid of Idle Miner?
Get rid of what?
Idle Miner.
What is that?
Idle Miner Tycoon.
Oh, I got that.
You still have it, or no? Did you get rid of it?
No. Oh, how much health did he have?
I got.
He had 4 health. Well, he had like, okay.
Dude, and that guy only had 1 kill.
1 total kill.
Yeah, that was your kill.
I'm better than him. What are you gonna get, Logan?
But you died from him.
I know. Let's.
Okay, that's what I'm gonna get.
Make sure you leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Where should I go? Logan, give me a suggestion. Rocket site?
Yeah.
Okay. What's your favorite place to go? Campers Paradise? I'm gonna go to Campers Paradise. You're gonna know why. You can hide in bushes. The shotgun is OP, but you have to be close range. That's the only thing that sucks about it.
Give him geometry dash for him.
Okay. Going to be quiet. I'm going to be quiet in this game. I'm not gonna. I'm just gonna try to play it out safe. Because I don't have. I have no I have no ammo with my. Oh, he's waiting until I take the sniper. He didn't take the sniper. That's super lucky. You made a mistake, boy. This kid made a mistake. Should I get the peacemaker or the sniper? Logan, peacemaker.
What is this?
Should I have a peacemaker or a sniper?
What?
Should I have the peacemaker or the sniper?
Sniper.
I want you to realize something. When I snap my fingers,
Sniper has bad range too.
Are you sure? And every time I get it wrong, you're gonna really piss.
Oh!
What's your name? G.I. Joe. So
I got one kill though. Oh, the sniper did like 80 freaking damage. The sniper did 80 damage. Like up close, it did 80 damage.
Did you kill him?
No, no. Well, I killed the first person and another person came and ruined my fun. I was trying to get their shield. Have you been to every single place on that map?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
Oh, Camper's Paradise again.
what's up, guys? It's Sam McColby.
Ooh, freaking hot. He's gonna go steal that.
Boston, Massachusetts.
Yeah.
So we were actually doing our Boston stop on our tour yesterday, and the bartender.
Don't shoot me! Don't shoot me! Don't. Okay. Go! 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 I wish you could carry like support items. This is the Camper's Paradise.
Looks like this mystery is brought to you by the letter P. Like
Stay in AR.
no, I don't like P.
Want to snag the AR? Let's snag.
Where's your butt meat at? Oh my, that's how a girl posts me on Instagram thinking they really doing something. Oh my gosh. She just jumped off the stairs. Bring me eggs. What? Bro, are you serious?
Have to get your
What?
Dude, this guy's a mini.
What?
Oh no! I just got knocked out by a bazooka. Crap.
Oh, it's horror games. This is my territory. We're playing.
I got 2 kills from that game.
Bro, the shadows, man.
That's what I'm talking about.
No, it's not.
I got 5 XP.
I'm not getting any eggs right now. Hold up. Guys. It's okay. It's all good.
Okay. I'm gonna do like 2 more rounds and I'm gonna end the video.
What?
I'm gonna do 1 more round and then hopefully Logan can play hopefully Logan can play again.
No, I'm good.
Okay.
Just gotta watch out for her, guys.
There's no shotgun. Which I hate.
3. That's 3. Where she at?
Apparently the punches are OP.
There she is. There she is.
Hey Logan, out they OP.
Lost all of our progress. Hey! 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 Get out! Oh my gosh, I was stuck. She's right there. Let's hit that kitchen. The kitchen actually has a lot of eggs in it.
Bring me eggs.
Oh, that's 1.
Ball lightning.
Count them off for me. Count them off. Second 2 day. Thank you. Hold up.
Shooting with a peacemaker.
I don't think we can outrun her. Alright.
Oh, it's crap. I'm gonna get out of the peacemaker.
Kitchen's clear? Yeah, kitchen.
Get more some. Okay.
Oh, count them off. Alright, 3. I'm gonna, hold up. We can check the fridge. No, give me that. Give me that. Nothing. Alright. Can we drop these eggs off?
Yes, got him. Got a shotgun too. Got a shotgun. I need to go back and get the meds. Okay. Yes.
Bring me eggs.
I got some shield. Yes. Thank you, mother. Die. What is this guy? Oh, okay. No, yeah, I was 1 shot. So, literally, this guy's name is someone 9111. So, someone shotgunned me. And I mean, literally, someone. There was a guy, and his name was someone shotgunned me. Lol. Oh, we hope you guys enjoyed this episode. And I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye. Peace.